What is up, guys? I'm with my friend Zronking. Today we're gonna be playing some Roblox obby. We're gonna be having a little competition. I'm gonna go in first person because that's my thing. Okay. You. Alright, and we're off. I like doing these in first person because personally it's my. Oh, crap, I already died. Oh, come on. What? I think Zorn keeps dying at the first level somehow, but I'm on my grind. I got past that. Gotta save a checkpoint. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. We're good. Yeah, okay, gotta get past the bleach. And we died. Okay. No, me and Zorn are at the same level. Oh. I low-key just had the lead right now. Okay. Boom. Oh, that sucks. Takes a while to reset. Oh no, he's already beating me. How fun. Ah, dang it. Okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. You got this, Jonathan. First person always comes in clutch. Right, here we go. Now we're talking. Alrighty. Yoink, 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 yoink. Yoink, 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 yoink. Alright. Wow. I need to beat Zronking because I think I've already done this obby, and it'd be kind of sad if I can't beat him at the obby that I did before he did. Alright, let's go. Level 7. Okay. Try not to die. Okay. Checkpoint. Ah. I haven't seen Zorn. I feel like he took a different route because I haven't seen him, which is strange in my opinion. Okay, maybe I shouldn't try crossing that way. Alright. So, let's try going this. Okay, you know what? Let me actually do not first person of this one. Okay, so yoink, yoink. Okay, there we go. Back to first person. I didn't think I could jump that. That's why. Get wrecked, noob. Get on my level. And then I died. And I died again. I don't remember this one. Oh, you just... Whoa, what the heck? Oh wait, you don't go this way, that's why. I'm smart. Oh, you should push me out of the way. Wait. Did Zorn leave? I know he... Bruh, he already finished? Bruh. Oh. He already beat me. Good thing I didn't bet a godly on this, because I was literally about to... Ah! Okay. I was literally about to bet a godly on this. Okay. I just did this too. Sucks! Okay. I'm a hacker, man. Oh, this one you just... Okay. You gotta be super close, but you just run through it. Oh, well, I made the checkpoint, so it's all good. Nice. Boy! Looking like a crispy man. Okay. Okay. This time we did it correctly. I think I can touch these and not that thing. See, I'm not that bad at the obby. Just needs improvement. Bruh. This looks like a job for not first person. Oh, he can do some weird tablet hack. Okay. I got this though. Hold on. Oh, this sucks. This sucks. Hold on, I'm almost there. It's okay. I'm not gonna rage. It's fine. I can get past this. Yoink. 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 One more. Okay, we did it. Okay, we did it. We did it. Alright guys, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you guys later.